a simple step-by-step guide on applying the product. For light to moderate bladder weakness, the MoliCare 3, 4 and 5 drop pads feature a V shape with anti-leak guards and a discreet, comfortable size. We recommend using them with tight underwear. Make sure your skin is clean and dry. Unfold the V-shaped pad with the wider end facing the front. Peel off the protective film from the adhesive strip. Place the pad inside tight-fitting underwear with the wider end at the front. Gently open the anti-leak guards and position them to securely enclose the genital area. Press the pad gently into place and adjust for a comfortable fit. When finished, simply peel the pad off the underwear and dispose of it in regular waste.